Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. In May 2026, who won the Palme d'Or, the highest honor at the 79th Cannes Film Festival for the film Fjord? Right answer is option B, Christian Mungio. In May 2026, which city hosted the Quad Foreign Ministers meeting where India welcomed representatives from the four member nations? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. According to the Sample Registration System Statistical Report 2024, what was India's crude birth rate per thousand population? Right answer is option B, 18.3. In May 2026, which security forces first all-women mountaineering team successfully scaled Mount Everest under Mission Vande Mataram? Correct answer is option C, Border Security Force. In May 2026, which Indian origin scientists were jointly honored with South Africa's highest civilian award, the Order of Mapun Gupwe? Right answer is option D, both B and C, Salim Abdul Karim and Professor Kirtan Dheda. In May 2026, where did India's Strategic Forces Command successfully test fire the Agni 1 short range ballistic missile? Correct answer is option B, Chandipur, Odisha. Under the Bhavya scheme, how many plug and play industrial parks are planned to be developed across India during 2026-27 to 2031 to 32? Correct answer is option C, 100. In May 2026, which state government partnered with Indian Railways for the operation of the upgraded Golden Chariot luxury train by IRCTC? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. In May 2026, where did the Digital Infrastructure Association of India launch India's first dedicated national platform, Bharat Digital Samvad? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who became the winner of the Formula One Canadian Grand Prix 2026? Right answer is option A, Kimi Antonelli. In May 2026, Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan released the book The Library Man of India, the story of P.N. Panikkar, authored by whom? Right answer is option B, P.P. Satyan. Which campaign or security initiative led to the surrender of 27 Maoists before the police in Ranchi, Jharkhand in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Operation Navjeevan. Which state government launched the Jal Parab campaign in May 2026 to address water scarcity for wildlife? Right answer is option D, Gujarat. Who launched the PM Ajay portal and the Ajay mobile app to improve the implementation of welfare schemes under the Pradhan Mantri Anusuchit Jati Abhyuday Yojana? Right answer is option B, Dr. Virendra Kumar. Which two indigenous artificial intelligence platforms were launched by the Indian Army in May 2026 to improve real time decision making and logistics management? Right answer is option C, Kautilya and Q Force. In May 2026, Dr. Harkya Lama was honored with prestigious religious title Mahasadam Majotika Dhaja. Which country confers this honor? Correct answer is option C, Myanmar. Which two female members of parliament selected for the Sansad Ratna Award 2026 represent the state of Maharashtra? Right answer is option B, Medha Kulkarni and Smita Uday Wagh. In May 2026, Indian athletes won a total of 5 medals at the IAU 24-hour Asia and Oceania Championship held in which city? Right answer is option A, Hirosaki, Japan. Which officer is the current Director General of the Narcotics Control Bureau, whose reputation was extended by the central government until 31st July 2027? Right answer is option B, Anurag Garg. In the men's pole vault event at the Federation Cup 2026, Dev Kumar Meena and Kuldeep Kumar set a new joint national record by clearing what height? Correct answer is option C, 5.45 meter. According to the State and Trends of Carbon Pricing report released by the World Bank, which country emerged as one of the world's largest new carbon markets in 2026? Right answer is option D, India. In May 2026, Adani Green Energy Limited commissioned a battery energy storage system of what capacity at Khavda, Gujarat, making it the largest facility of its kind outside China. Right answer is option D, 3.37 gigawatt. On which date is World Football Day celebrated in 2026? Right answer is option A, 25th May. Who became the first Indian test pilot to be elected as a Fellow of the Society of Experimental Test Pilots, USA, in May 2026? Right answer is option A, K.K. Venugopal. Which Indian was elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society, the United Kingdom's prestigious scientific academy, in the field of mathematics in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Professor Manindra Agarwal. In May 2026, which country officially launched the Jangbogo N project with the goal of building and deploying its first nuclear powered submarine by the late 2030s? Right answer is option B, South Korea. Which country officially launched its tourism cooperation agenda by chairing the first virtual meeting of the BRICS Tourism Working Group in May 2026? Right answer is option C, India. In May 2026, who assumed charge as the new chairman of the Marine Products Export Development Authority? Correct answer is option B, P. Jawahar. On which date is the International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers observed in 2026? Right answer is option C, 29th May. Who was appointed as the new Prime Minister of Senegal in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Ahmadou Al Amino Lo. Under the provisions of which Act were the National Sports Board and Tribunal Rules 2026 notified in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, National Sports Governance Act 2025. Where was India's first and largest national AI and digital water summit held in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Bengaluru. In May 2026, the central government constituted a high level committee to assess demographic changes caused by illegal infiltration. Who was appointed as the chairman of this committee? Right answer is option B, Justice Prakash Prabhakar Naulekar. Who was appointed as the new chairperson of the Central Board of Secondary Education by the central government in June 2026? Right answer is option A, Lokhande Prashant Sitaram. Which team won the Tata Indian Premier League 2026 title? Correct answer is option D, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Which state government launched Project Zero to completely eradicate corruption? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. From 1st June 2026, the Malaysian government imposed a complete ban on children under what age from creating social media accounts? Correct answer is option C, 16 years. Which union ministry launched the Prime Minister's Research Chair scheme in June 2026? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Education. In June 2026, where did Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan launch the nationwide Khet Bachao Abhiyan? Correct answer is option D, Ramsia village, Madhya Pradesh. Where is India's first special economic zone by a municipal body being developed? Right answer is option B, Puducherry. In June 2026, the International Cricket Council suspended the membership of which country's cricket board due to violations of administrative regulations? Correct answer is option B, Canada. Which country became the ninth country in the world to adopt and accept India's UPI payment system in June 2026? Right answer is option C, Cambodia. On which date is World Environment Day celebrated in 2026? Correct answer is option C, 5th June. What new name has the Uttar Pradesh government given to Fazil Nagar in Kushinagar district? Right answer is option A, Pavgarh. In June 2026, which technology giant unveiled a topological quantum computing chip named Majorana 2? Correct answer is option D, Microsoft. Who became the second Indian woman scientist to be elected as a Fellow of London's Royal Society? Right answer is option B, Soumya Swaminathan. Who became the second footballer in the world after Cristiano Ronaldo to attain billionaire status in May 2026? Right answer is option B, Lionel Messi. Who has become the first individual footballer to win the Princess of Asturias Sports Award 2026? Right answer is option C, Lionel Messi. To which Indian has the Food and Agriculture Organization presented the Soil Farmer Hero Award? Right answer is option A, Valluvan. Which Indian students won the Earth Prize 2026 in June 2026 for their discovery regarding the removal of microplastics from water? Right answer is option D, all of the above. Vivan Chaucharya, Ariana Agarwal, and Aviana Mehta. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.